I'm going to show you how to install a Blue Badge Co KeyGrip onto the key. The KeyGrip gives you leverage when turning the keys in locks. Now, there is a knack for getting the key onto the KeyGrip. If you turn it upside down, you'll see that there are two nodules on the base. These need to be pressed down and pulled at the same time. If you hold it like this with your thumbs on the rounded pads, you should be able to push these down and pull the key grip at the same time. It should easily pop and slide out. If you turn it over, you'll see that there is a film covering the adhesive pad. This is where we're going to stick the key. Line up the keyholes so that you can thread it through a keyring if required and push lightly down. You can then slide the key grip back on. Now, you may need to push down quite firmly so that there is enough space for the key and the key grip to slide together, like so. Once this is aligned up, you can simply push it together, and when it clicks, it's in place. The key grip comes in a pack of 3, so you get 3 colours to choose from, making it helpful to identify your keys.